But because what sound can do is allow you to kind of be still. And the vibration that we provide through sound therapy is stimulating every cell in your body. So the tension that is held onto, a lot of times the emotional traumas that traumas that people have gone through, they can be stored in the body. And without a way to release that, that stimulation through the vibration can just help release that trauma. Well, I shouldn't say release that trauma, but release that tension, that can come from the trauma. So that's why it's a good supplement. It doesn't replace any other type of, therapy or, any other type of wellness journey that the person may be on. But, the trauma that stores up into physical tension, we're holding in our emotions. And I know women, I'm not a woman, of course, but I'm married. I have a mom, I have sisters. I know women they hold on to a lot, and they're so strong that they just, they tend to put their emotions and, their needs on the back burner for everything and everybody else. And then eventually it can just get stuck. It's stagnant. And so we use vibration to kind of move that stagnant energy and to help, release it. So it can really be helpful with someone who may be holding on to some tension through, maybe a traumatic, situation that they've endured.